So, hello guys! It's Janeth Canencia and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, sa nakikita nyo sa title natin, mag-unbox tayo ng Advent Calendar. So, ito yung Advent Calendar na meron ako. It's from Balea. It's from DM. So, alam nyo guys, late na talaga for the Advent calendar this month kasi nag-start yung mga Advent calendar, nag-start sila releasing Advent calendars from September. So, ngayon, ubusan na siya guys. Out of stock na yung mga Advent calendar. And I really love Advent calendar guys. That's why I'm so eager to have one. That's why I have a chance. I really, grab it. And then, bukod sa I really love unboxing also, maparegalo man yan or packages, sino ba namang hindi. Good thing, nung pumunta kami kahapon ng DM, may nakita ko, meron pa silang last 3 boxes ng Advent calendar, and yeah, it's from Balea. So, may nakita din ako kanina kasi pumunta din kaming Muller, so meron silang last 2 or 3 din na products, beauty products, Advent calendar. So, I don't know if bibili ako nun kasi hindi naman ako into makeups kasi hindi ako marunong, pero baka mag-practice ako kaya kailangan, baka bibili din ako nun. Tapos, sa nakikita ko sa family ng asawa ko, isa lang naman yung babae, yung kapatid ng asawa ko. Tapos, yung mother-in-law ko. Tapos, hindi naman din sila masyadong nagmi-makeup. So, I don't think na magagamit ko yung panregalo sa kanila. So, I just choose this one first. Kasi ito is body and beauty. What's that? Body products. Something like this. At ginagamit, yung brand na to ginagamit din ng family ng asawa ko. So, pwede ko itong magamit pang regalo. Kung hindi ko siya gagamitin, hindi para sa akin o para sa amin, ipanregalo ko sa pamilya ng asawa ko. Sa kapatid niya, sa mga asawa nila, ganun. So, without further ado, let's start this guys. Let's unbox this, okay? And actually guys, it's in German. So, di na ako magta-try na basahin siya kasi baka mali-mali lang siya. So, ano ko na lang, ilalagay ko na lang yung description niya, kung ano yung product na yun. Okay? So, ito na yung box, guys. This is the box. It says, it's magic time. And, ayan, with a Christmas design. So cute. And here is the Balea. DM Balea. So, naka-cover pala siya ng plastic, guys. So, ni-remove ko na siya. And, let's start. Where is the number 1? Number 1 is here. Here, open it. Show me what's inside. What's that? A star. It's a star soap bar. Bar soap. Star bar.
Let's open it first.
Star bar soap.
Let's open it
16.
first. Let's add 20 ml hair milk. 18. Here. Can you open that? Can you open it? Show me.
So, just a disclaimer guys, this is not a sponsor video. And, one more thing, natapos ko na siya guys, pero hindi ko man lang namalaya na may mga nakasulat pala siya every window, or eto, every numbers. Kung hindi pa siya tinear up ng anak ko, hindi ko malalaman na may nakasulat pala siya dyan na maliliit. Ayan. For this one, it says, be your own inspiration. So, meron pala siya, guys. So, like this one, trust the timing of your life, enjoy the little things. This one is not in English, guys. It's in German. Wonderful beast. I cannot read that one. Dieta patuga-tuga day. Watch out. Do you see the glow in everyone's eyes? It's because Santa and his reindeer are in the skies. Merry Christmas. Yeah, that's so cool. Uh-oh. Like lotion. This is also in... What's that? Naka-focus. Hindi man magpo-focus si cam ko. Ayan ko lang. It's also Hungarian. Wake up and do all that you can. Yeah. That's also in German. It's okay if you don't have all the answers. Another one. Oh, it's in German. 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 It's in German. It's in German. It's still in German. Sparkle wherever you go. Yeah, it's also in German. Let your confidence shine, pretty girl. That's so cool. That's so good. Follow your heart. Life is good. Oh, that's in German. It's also in German. Yeah. Let your dreams be your wings. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all. So, that's it guys for this Balea It's Magical Time Advent Calendars. So, for now, I just want to shout out some YouTube friends like and to Jen Vida for always supporting my premiere every Tuesday and Friday. Hello to Jen. Thank you so much sa support. I know I always disturb your live streaming. Thank you so much for supporting my premieres. And also, yeah, Team Hungary, thank you so much. And shout out nga pala kay Sis Tamara Asuki. Hello. Shout out to you, classmate. Thank you so much for your unending support watching my videos. And so, that's all for this video, guys. Sino pa ba yung shoutout? Maybe it's the next video. So that's all for today's video, guys, and I hope you enjoy watching this unboxing for Advent Calendar. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys, and give your comments down below. So, as binabasa ko yan siya every night, yung mga comments ninyo. So, just take time to give your comments below, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and share it with your friends, especially who likes Advent Calendar. And see you soon in my next vlog, guys, and stay good, be good, do good, and stay safe. I love you all.